Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. Able to agree, able to deal, able to read, able to take, able to think about the above there, absolutely certain, according to me, according to the Act of Parliament, after a time, after he is, after he has, after that, after they, after them, after we have, after which the, against us, agreed that, all classes, all directions, all friends, all great, all is, all his countrymen, all his endeavors, all his interests, all his life, all his own, all his purposes, all its clauses, all mankind, all manner of ways, all matters, all means, all members, all my brethren, all my life, all my time, all one, all other classes, all our own, all over the country, all over the world, all particulars, all persons, all places, all proceedings, all questions, all respects, all right, all situations, all sorts of, all status, all such, all that day, all that is necessary, all that one, all the matters, all the men, all the work, all the world, all the year round, all their own, all these circumstances, all these occasions, all these parts, all these questions, all these reasons, all this time, all those who are, all those who may be, all very well, all we can, all we want, all were, all we are, all which, all worlds, all you can, almost always, almost any, almost certain, almost immediately, almost impossible, already been, also state, always been, always accepting, among themselves, among the most, among the same, among those who have not, among those who were, amongst them, and after that, and afterwards, and have since, and his country, and I am, and I have the honor, and I hope, and I notice, and I only, and I take this, and I took, and I trust, and if it is to be, and if this is, and if such, and if you will, and in all probability, and in all the circumstances, and in my opinion, and in some cases, and in some respects, and in there, and in this way, and is, and his, and of the, and such, and that they were, and the government, and the rest, and there were, and they were told, and under the present circumstances, and we shall be pleased. Another affair, another instance, another nation, another opinion, another point, another question, another situation, another station, another subject, another time, any business, any more, any other, any person, any word, anything else, anywhere else apart from, are not entitled, are not found, are you, army and navy, as a general rule, as a result, as a rule, as compared with last year, as early as possible, as far as can, as far as maybe, as far as our, as far as regarded, as far as regards, as far as the, as far as usual, as far as was, as far as will, as far as you can, as fast as good as before, as good as ever, as good as if, as good as it, as good as need be, as good as possible, as he is, as he has, as if the most, as in the case of, as is, as his, as it certainly, as it is, as it really, as it seems to me, as it sometimes was, as it surely, as it was, as it were, as it will, as it would, as little as possible, as long as it is, as long as it may, as long as necessary, as long as possible, as long as they, as long as will, as many as are, as many as can be, as many as choose, as much as before, as much as can be, as much as ever, as much as it is, as much as may, as much as our, as much as are, as much as possible, as much as they, as much as was, as much as will, as much as your, as per, as promised, as provided, as regards, as satisfactory, as soon as convenient, as soon as possible, as soon as they were, as soon as we have, as the, as this is, as to, as usual, as we have not, as we have said, as we have suggested, as we trust, as well as it can be, as well as most, as well as our, as well as your, as will be observed, as will be seen, at a glance, at a loss, at all events, at all times, at any rate, at any time, at church, at first, at home and abroad, at last, at least, at length, at once, at one another, at one time, at present, at right angles, at sight, at some time, at such, at the end, at the present time, at the request of, at the same moment, at the same time, at the time, at times, Atlantic Ocean, be able to, be assured, be called upon. Stop.